Hey everyone, you've just made a big purchase, perhaps a new phone or a flight ticket. You refresh your banking app, but the transaction still says pending. You're left wondering, how long does it usually take for a pending transaction to go through on Monzo? Hook. That's the question we'll be answering today. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Monzo pending transactions, exploring factors that influence processing time and offering tips to help you stay informed and patient. Understanding pending transactions. When you make a purchase using your Monzo card, the transaction is initially marked as pending. This means that the funds have been reserved from your account, but the final payment hasn't been confirmed yet. This is a standard procedure to ensure that there are sufficient funds to cover the purchase. Factors affecting processing time. Several factors can influence how long a pending transaction takes to process on Monzo. Merchant processing time. The speed at which the merchant processes the transaction can vary. Some merchants have faster processing systems than others. Transaction amount. Larger transactions may take slightly longer to process. Weekend and holidays. Transactions made on weekends or holidays might experience delays due to reduced bank operations. Bank system issues. Technical difficulties or maintenance within the Monzo system can occasionally impact processing times. International transactions. Transactions involving foreign currencies or different banking systems may face additional processing steps, leading to longer wait times. General processing times. While it's difficult to provide an exact time frame for all pending transactions, here's a general breakdown. Domestic transactions. Most domestic transactions should be processed within a few hours or the next business day. International transactions. International transactions may take a few days to complete. Large transactions. Larger transactions might require additional verification, potentially extending the processing time. Tips for checking transaction status. If you're eager to track the status of your pending transaction, here are some tips. Check your Monzo app. The app will usually display the transaction status. Contact the merchant. If the transaction has been pending for an unusually long time, reaching out to the merchant can provide more information. Contact Monzo customer support. For any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to contact Monzo's customer support team. Dispute process. In rare cases, a transaction may be disputed. If you believe that a charge is fraudulent or incorrect, Monzo has a dispute process in place. Be sure to follow their guidelines and provide necessary documentation to support your claim. Patience and understanding. It's important to remember that pending transactions are a normal part of the payment process. While it can be frustrating to wait, exercising patience and understanding can help alleviate stress. Conclusion. So, how long is the pending transaction on Monzo? The answer depends on several factors, including the merchant's processing time, transaction amount, and potential system issues. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can stay informed and patient while your transaction is being processed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.